Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video you will learn how to create a simple calculator using Python programming. So we would create a variable which will take the integer input from the user for our first number, stating that enter the first number. Similarly, we will do the same for the second input. We would just change the name of the variable user to input the operator. So here operator would be equal to input. We will use the if-else condition here. So if operator would be equal to plus sign, we will print first plus second. But elif operator is equal to minus, so we would print first minus second. Now similarly, if the operator would be equal to divide, we would print first divided by second. In the last, if the operator is equal to multiply, we would simply print first into second. Let's now try this. Is it working or not? 31 plus 3 operator is plus 34.